Label Video Converter Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people think all video converters are the same. But here's why: choosing the wrong one can ruin your videos, waste hours of your time, and even damage important files. You won't believe how many creators lose quality without realizing it. Label Video Converter is a desktop software designed to convert video and audio files into hundreds of formats. It supports popular formats like MP4, MAV, AVI, MKV, and even 4K and HD video. The surprising truth about video conversion is that not all tools preserve resolution, sound clarity, and subtitles the same way. Label allows you to import your videos, choose an output format, adjust resolution, frame rate, and audio bitrate, and then export the finished file in just a few clicks. This makes it useful for YouTubers, content creators, students, and anyone who needs to make videos compatible with phones, tablets, or smart TVs. For example, if you have a large 4K video that needs to be shared by email or uploaded to a website, Lewo can compress the file while keeping it clear and sharp. It also includes simple video editing tools, letting you trim clips, crop unwanted edges, and add basic effects before converting. However, Lewo is not free. There is a trial version, but full features require a paid license. Most people get this wrong, but here's why that matters. Free converters often add watermarks, reduce quality, or limit file sizes. If you need reliable video conversion without quality loss, Lewo can be a smart investment. Subscribe now for more honest software reviews and tech tips.